guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most welcome. I'm glad you find your way to my channel. I'm Victoria Tori for Beading. Welcome to my channel. You are here to learn. Trust me, not a mistake. You are here to learn. You are here to learn. Okay, today this is what we're going to do today. This is the bead I'm using, so we're going to do this. Oh, see how lovely it is. You're wondering what is this? Don't worry, you can do it. If you want to know how to do this one, this particular one, this, wow, see how beautiful it is. Make sure you want to the end of the class. And if you really want to know how to do this, watch my previous video, the one I made this green one on it. If you can do this green one, it'll be very easier for you to make this. Go back and watch this video first. After watching this, you come back and watch this. Very easy for you to learn this after you have watched this, because this is the first step in beading. This is the first step, and this and this. Make sure you watch all of them, and don't just watch alone. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you, and God bless you as you watch. Okay, welcome back once again. So we are going to do another design again. So like I said before we started this video, that I'm going to do it for very beginner friendly. If you are new to beading, you don't know how to bead before, first time of beading, you're able to understand this class perfectly. This is the best class for you. If you have not done any beading work before and you want to learn, this video is just for you. It's very friendly, it's understandable, and the techniques are very simple. Just make sure you watch closely and practice. I always say keep on practice. You are not built in a day. Keep on practicing. If you practice, you find yourself doing what you don't expect you can do. Okay guys, let's just start. Let's keep the talking. Let's start. So okay, I'm just going to draw a straight line here again. Just a straight line. This is my pen, don't want to, okay, it's writing. Just a straight line like this. Okay, let's do it the same length with our previous class, this way. Okay, and now we are good to go. I'm just going to, I will bring my needle from inside outside this way. You guys seeing it, right? Okay, bring it outside this way. And this I'm still using the pink bead. So I'm picking 4. I'm picking 4. 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to put the bead down to the line. I'm not sure you guys are seeing me. Okay, I'm going to put the bead down to the line this way, and I'm going to measure it. Have you seen it? I measure it. Make sure they are laying down flat this way. I don't want to cover it with my finger. Okay, make sure it's laid down flat this way. Watch closely. Lay this down flat this way, where the bead ends. Start your needle inside. Inside this way. You see, it's laid down flat already. And leave a small space. Make sure the space. Okay, we are picking 4 in this bead, and make sure the space you are leaving is going to contain 2 bead. Just only 2 bead. If you are picking 6, the space you are going to leave going to contain just only 3 bead. Okay, I'm leaving a space going to contain just only 2 bead, like this. This is the space I'm leaving. You see, very small space. So I'm going to pull out my needle like this, and I will come back again and pick another 4 again. Another 4. Okay, I've picked another 4. This is 4. I'll pull it down again. Remember, in our class, our tracing class, we are going this way, but this one we are not going this way. We are coming down like this, backward. Remember, if you watch this video, this one I make there, we are going straight like this, but this one we are coming backward. We are coming back. We are not going up, we are coming back. You guys understand? Okay, see, now I said I'm going to leave 2 space. You see, the space I leave just contain only 2 bead. So where the bead stop here, I'm going to insert the needle inside here. Understand? Just keep on watching. You're going to understand what I'm doing. Have you seen it, guys? So I'm going to bring it out again, and what the space I'm leaving again must contain 2 just 2 bead. Okay, I'm pulling my thread out this way. I'm pulling my thread out this way, so I'm picking another 4 again. I'm picking another 4 again. I'll pick 4. I'm pulling the bead down. I'll still measure it downward. I'm not going up this way, no, I'm coming backward like this. I'm coming down like this. So where the bead stop, insert your needle inside again like this. Insert your needle there and pull it down. Have you seen it? Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And you leave a space. Always let your space be accurate. That is the design. Your space must be accurate. You must not leave a small space here and a bigger space on the other side. Understand? If you leave the space you are leaving in the first one, make sure you are leaving the same space throughout your design, your pattern. Okay, so I'm drawing it out again. I'm drawing it out again, and I'm picking another 4. It's very simple as ABC. Very simple. Trust me guys, very simple. I'm bringing it down the gate. It's always stop at the second one. If your space is accurate, it will always stop at the second one here. So insert your needle where it stop. Put your needle down like this and bring it out again. Leave a space that will contain just only 2 beads. That's why it's always good to measure when you are doing your beading work. Measure it so what you are doing is accurate. So you pull it again, you measure, it always come at the second one. You go again, you go up. Very simple. You go up again, you pick another 4 like that to the end of your pattern or anything you are designing this design on, this pattern on. Just be doing it same way. Just be doing it same way like this, and before you know, you are getting it. Before you know, you already, oh my thread, okay, I've sorted it out. No, okay, fine, like this, and we are good to go. Just keep on doing it this way, coming out, going in, coming out, going in. You are not taking it front, you are taking it back, and measure always. If you don't measure it, you realize that what you are doing is not making sense at all. But once you measure it, like you're like, wow, am I the one doing this? Like I say, it's beginner friendly. If you are new to beading and you watch this class very well and you do exactly what I'm doing here, you are going to get it, trust me. So you pull it down again. You can pick 6, you can pick as any amount of bead you want, but just make sure the space you are leaving for each are the same. Can you please subscribe to my channel, please, guys? I'm begging. I'm not doing shakara. Help your girl. Subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you as you are sharing it. God bless you. Share my video to someone that might need it. Share my video, guys. And if you want me to come up with anything, like I always said, comment down below. I'm here for you guys, to serve you guys better. Yeah, I'm here for you guys. I hope you guys are watching closely. So I'm not performing any magic here. No magic is what you can do. Not performing magic here. Just make sure you watch it carefully and you follow the pattern. That's just it. Very simple. Very simple. Just imagine seeing yourself doing it. Very simple. Once you can do these stitches, running stitches, I call it tracing, running, any how you call it, you're able to do this. Very simple. You're able to do it. And if you want to join my beading class, I have a beading class on Telegram. The price is very friendly. It's pocket friendly, affordable. You can just chat me up. can come to my DM on Instagram or chat me up on my WhatsApp number. I always put my WhatsApp number on the link. Just chat me up. So I will add you to the class where you will learn more and more techniques. So you can see we are almost done, and I'm still using the same pattern. I'm still using the same pattern. We are almost done. Don't just do it once and just leave it like you know how to do it. Keep on practicing. Keep on practice and practice and practice. Practice always. When you find yourself, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. The fact I can do it, that means you can also do it. There's no magic in beading, no magic at all. Yeah, we are done. See how beautiful it is. Imagine this on your dress. Oh, so very superb and fine. See, same method. It's always stop at the second one and you insert it, and we are done. Like, guys, we are done. See, let me bring the camera closer to what we have been doing. Oh shit, listen it. See, look how beautiful it is. Yeah, we are done. There's nothing hard in beading at all. Just make sure you practice and practice and practice and practice and practice until you turn to pro, like until you can beat anything on the fabric. Thank you for watching this video this far. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for always supporting this small girl. Oh, this girl is so grateful. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this far. I really appreciate it. Please don't just watch and go. No. Subscribe. That red button, click on it right now and on the notification bell so you can know when I posted a new video. Thank you guys. Comment and like and share. God bless you as you do so. See you in my next class. Bye. I love you guys all. Thank you.